Mbali, there's something I wanted to talk to you about.
You sound so serious, Nkosana. What's on your mind?
Ukuthi important kimi and mina ngiyakuthanda.
Oh, kuhle Nkosana. I feel the same way about you.
I was wondering, ungakhona ukuhlangana nabazali bami?
Abazali?
Abazali, and ngiyazi ukuthi kusesekele ukuthi uhlangane nabazali bami. Ngikuhle.
Wow, Nkosana. I didn't expect that.
Yini, too much. Ngifuna ukuthi ngipressure sithandwa sami.
I'm not pressured. Is that ukuthi ngimangele ukuhlangana nabazali bakho? That's a big step.
Ngiyazi, but I'm serious about us. Ngifuna ukwazi.
That means a lot to you. Ngingajabulela ukuhlangana nabazali bakho.
Wow, ngikuthandela.
You better. Umama kuthanda kuphuzwa. I have to make a good impression.
Don't worry, already mama uyakuthanda. Ngisimile sakho.
Okay, that's so sweet. Ngicela ungilande eSchool. Bye-bye.
Yesterday I bumped into that guy and I found myself apologizing. But I still have a problem with Philip.
What's your problem, dude? My problem is you. And what
do you think you're gonna do about it?
I'm gonna teach you a lesson. Treat others with respect or face with consequences.
What? You can't touch me. I'll tell.
Go ahead. Kuluma. Melumqonde.
Yenza okwenzayo. But I'm not gonna face you and tell you whatever.
Yebo, ngiphathele something. Ngizwile bathi uyakwazi ukucula, customer ngiculayo.
An album Siyanda. Kumele ubhadale big bucks ukuze uzongizwa ngiqula.
Zwile Joe, lamantombazana akhuluma ngemali. And uSiyanda bokomele sikacala ukusave.
Uzwile nda, bangathatha ifenki yonke lapho.
Mina ngiready ukuzwa iphimbo lengilosi.
Angeline boys, you are trying too hard, yes.
Masikhuluma ngabo ntalana talent, sikhuluma ngabo. Tana maphezulu bakho, sangathanda ukuthi.
Oh, you noticed. When I was just having fun ngalela la.
Fun kanjani ngoba isho ngeke ngikubuza amakhazana.
You dancing Chloe. I don't know if you can handle my moves. She's not lying. You probably trip over your own feet.
Speaking of tripping cars, when manager too, I'm sure we'll remember.
That's just me. Life is too short to play it safe. You should try it sometimes.
Oh, because I'm a
Oh, Dando, don't make me laugh. Dando, pull up all the stops. Look at her. Try to impress Hanson.
What about Siyanda? Mina ngicondezela uLebo ngathi music video.
Mara ngizawuthini ngoba uLebo unamandla.
Keep dreaming, Siyanda. You are not ready for this.
And Hlori can even dance on the just sing. I guess we have to teach you.
So you boys think you're smooth?
We are not smooth, just ukuthi sine confident.
Confidence. Well, better keep practicing. Let's go, girls.
Hey, you, Ndux. Osabo, what do you want? Hey, I wanted to talk about something. About what? You weren't studying anything? Nah, nothing like that. I just kinda had a run-in with your brother the other day. Oh, Bosco, what happened? He wasn't happy with me. He said something about the way I used to treat you. Can you blame him, Bosco? We were pretty awful. Yeah, I know. I was really out of line and I thought me and you were cool now. We are cool, bro. You're lucky. He didn't take it fair. Trust me, I know the guy's tent. So why are you here? I wanted to apologize again so you could go let your brother know that I'm not the same guy as I was before. Really mean that? I do. I made a mistake and I don't want to be that person anymore. Alright, I'll talk to him. But next time I won't stop him. Yeah, message received, man. Sure, boy. Yeah, you'll catch up.
Senkathele ubekezela nawe ukathele ukunyamezela asino.
Yo, Thabang, you look like something is stressing you.
Life, Iris Kid. Same old problems, bro.
What happened, bro?
I've tried to do a little hustle, bro. But ngabanjwa leza ngane zingicobhela ifoni. But ngimanage ukuphuma na 2K board. Izinto zama zambanga kahle. Mbanje.
Man, not again. Yeah, kusho kumina ukuthi sihamba le ndlela.
What else am I supposed to do with that thing, bro? Music isn't paying my bills. It is hard out there, bro. Now uyazi, kade sisula ngama gigs kodwa bangasibhadali.
Yeah, I get it, Thabang. But you should understand ukuthi sometimes uthatha ama-shortcut ungamosha izinto more.
So my bro, ngicabanga ukuthi angikwazi. Lalela, I'm trying to survive here. And when you got music and you have fans, so it's easy for you, dog.
No, man, it wasn't easy. Like I've been in music industry for almost 10 years. And there were times where I wanted to quit music. I had to balance kule journey le ngihamba kuyona. Ngabekezela. Music wami waphakama.
Oh, this episodic brain, bro. So do you think people care about me? About my music? What's your jealous?
People care when you're authentic. And you must put it in way. So stop running on what you are good at.
Ngiyakuzwa Skolo. Kodwa mina ngididwa ukuthi ngingathomaphi.
Yenza music ukhuluma nayo. Not for fame, not for attention, not for money. Go back to the studio and write the thoughts.
Ngiyakuzwa Skolo, maybe ngakwenza lokho. Vele mina ngiyaphupha ngiphinde ngenze ezephanda. Ngumkhulu kweshosholozi Skolo.
I know you can, bro. And if you need help, you know where to find me. Don't throw away your potential because of your struggle.
Ngiyakuzwa Iris Kid. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ngokubuyisa ithemba lesimilo kumina.
No problem, man. Just keep running. The right doors will open.
So I'll try, bro.
So macala ngile acabanga ukuthi ngathenga isikolo sethu kube indawo engcono.
Yeah, I thought about it. Angithandi ukubona ingane esibulile.
Me too. Ngicabanga ukuthi ngayenza into engcono sitshentshe nale ndawo.
How do you think we can do that?
Well, singaqala ngokuqamba i-club or organization. Ukuze sipromote i-kindness ne-inclusivity.
That's a great idea.
Sema out and we can organize activities ukuze silethe abantwana ndawonye.
Exactly. And singakhona nokusebenza nabo-teacher, nama-admin, nama-social worker. Ukuthi indawo yethu ibe safe.
So inspired. Let's do it, guys.
Yes, let's make it happen. We can be president.
Hi, Jamakelo, what's up? Nothing much, just to go to
Zem wena. Ha,
Asho ukuthi baphala bonke lapha eklasini lakho ngamamanzi.
Shin.
Thanks, I hope so. So now my plans for you weekend? No, why? Ngicabanga ukuthi or siyofunda sonke or sidle ice cream. Ucabanga lapha. Okay, asihambise the ice cream.